Hello, I'm Ryan Jackson, and I'm here to introduce a breakthrough product that's revolutionizing curve conveyor protection, the Radial Belt Edge Protector, the industry's first belt edge protector engineered specifically to prevent package jams at power turns. In distribution warehouses and in airport baggage handling systems, power turns create a critical vulnerability. As packages transition from straight runs to curves, they naturally drift towards the outside edge, wedging between the belt and sidewall. This jamming halts entire systems, damages packages and bags, and forces costly downtime, all at the most expensive points along your conveyor. Current market solutions simply don't address power turns, leaving facilities with no defense against the costly and all too common jam point. The BEP-R represents the industry's first and only solution specifically engineered for power turn protection. This targeted innovation makes it a necessity for any facility running curved conveyors where consistent package flow directly impacts your bottom line. The BEP-R's innovative design bridges the gap between the belt and the sidewall, creating a protective barrier exactly where packages, straps, and other debris often become stuck. It mounts easily to the outer radius of your conveyor structure along the length of your power turn using included hardware. The included lead-in seamlessly attaches to the extrusion and prevents catch points. The optional install kit equips installation teams with the appropriate wrenches and drill bits that they need. The BEP-R's standout feature is its stiff vertical brush that lightly contacts the belt top cover. This allows your belt to run smoothly underneath while the brush physically blocks packages from slipping past, preventing anything from getting caught between the belt and conveyor structure. Unlike traditional angled belt edge protectors that overlap the belt, the BEP-R's vertical design is purpose-built for the unique demands of curved conveyors. Manual monitoring and reactive maintenance drain financial and labor resources. Protect your most valuable conveyor points today with Flexco's Radial Belt Edge Protector. For more information about the BEP-R or other Flexco solutions, visit flexco.com.